How to create a simple, sustainable IT asset register. IT asset auditing doesn't have to be complicated. Here's how you can create a simple and sustainable IT asset register using tools you may already have. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The importance of having an IT asset register. Taking inventory of an organization's IT assets is a challenging yet essential task that any admin needs to perform to ensure an environment remains in good working condition. A well-maintained IT asset register improves visibility, accountability, budgeting, warranty tracking, and long-term lifecycle planning. Thus, it is crucial for any IT team to maintain an IT asset register. And, contrary to popular belief, you do not need to acquire costly tools to create and manage one. In fact, even small and medium-sized businesses can create a lightweight and cost-effective inventory system using tools they may already have. Here's how. Steps in creating an IT asset register. Essential fields to build your core asset register template. Firstly, you'll need to build a structure for your asset register. It should include the following essential fields: asset ID/tag, asset type, description/model, serial number, assigned to, location, status, purchase date, warranty expiry, and replacement due date. Practical methods for collecting inventory data. Once you have formed your structure, it's time to collect inventory data to fill out your register. You can do so by manually auditing IT assets on a master spreadsheet, exporting and importing data from platforms like Microsoft Intune or your local Active Directory, or leveraging RMM tools like NinjaOne. Streamline with organizational tags for efficiency. With tons of data at hand, you will need to sort them out with tags to filter out and organize your inventory efficiently. Consider arranging them according to location, department, or asset class, for example. Embed updates into daily workflows. And finally, you should always keep your asset register up to date, especially during processes such as onboarding, device replacement, repair, and procurement. You can save time and reduce manual errors by using PowerShell to automatically add new assets to your inventory list. In the end, IT asset management doesn't have to be an expensive effort. By maximizing the tools already available in your environment, you can create and maintain an asset register while improving organization, efficiency, budgeting, and security. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to build a simple, sustainable IT asset register, linked in the description below.